Joining us on Valley News Live, we have a lot to go over, and let's start with the headline. Number one, you want to be informed during weather like this, and if you must travel, which we don't recommend in many of the areas in the south, beginning tomorrow in the afternoon, Wednesday afternoon and Thursday, first alert weather days, you can get the latest forecast videos updated. We just put one out there on some road conditions for you and the latest radar update. Go check that out now while we're talking to you on air. We have the interactive radar there, and you can always get the latest on cancellations, closures, delays, and road conditions right here on the Valley News Live weather app. Again, it is the best app in the area, so get it. It's way better than that one that comes on the phone. So get rid of that and get the Valley News Live one. Partially covered roads in blue, including through the FM area and actually up towards Buxton as well. Partially covered through central North Dakota as that wave of snow moved through. No travel advisories in the not Black Hills, but the Sisseton Hills here, eastern South Dakota, and covered roads in the Cheyenne River Valley. Here's a look at what it looks like now. Thanks to our friends at the Dakota Magic Casino helping us keep our eyes on the skies out there, and it's not pretty. Blizzard impacts for tomorrow, things you need to know. There'll be areas of impossible travel. Do not travel if you do not have to. And not only will we have life-threatening travel conditions, meaning you should have a survival kit in your vehicle, but there will be life-threatening cold in other areas that are not getting the blizzard, as well as in areas where the blizzard is. Again, a reason to have a survival kit no matter where you're traveling about across our region. Potential for some power disruptions with this system, with the wind and the prolonged periods of snow as well, particularly south. Stay informed with that app. Here's a look at the latest radar. Tonight's round of snow expands from eastern parts of South Dakota and the Southern Valley all the way into the Twin Cities, where the snow has been prolonged. So in the Twin Cities, this is going to be a 3-day event for them. Cold taking hold up north, 11 below Grand Forks, 15 below Devil's Lake, milder in Fergus Falls at 7 above. We're 0 here in the Fargo-Moorhead area. Factor in the winds, and our wind chills already up north are near 40 below. Earlier, there is mention of that wind chill warning in effect for the Northern Valley and places in the Devil's Lake Basin for wind chills to 50 below. Extremely dangerous out there. Wind is causing some of the snow to blow around. Visibility as low as a half mile to 3/4 of a mile at times down there. Snowfall down south in your hour-by-hour forecast. Overnight will just continue to churn and slowly will work its way out of the region and give us a little bit of break in our southern counties. But see this, the wind picks up. 30-mile-per-hour to 40-mile-per-hour winds means even up north where we got that snow yesterday, that fluffy stuff is going to fly. Our stuff here in Fargo is going to fly, even though we won't be getting new snow until the afternoon. Be where you want to be between noon and, say, 6 p.m. because this mess is moving northward. We'll have some lighter snow up to the north, but the heavier bands setting up I-94, Highway 10, and Point South, as we've been talking about the last couple of days. Take a look at this now. We'll see the darker blue shades here where we'll get those more significant accumulations south of Fargo, Lakes Country, particularly Otter Tail County, Wadena County, Grant, Douglas County, Wilkin County, on the way down towards Traverse, Roberts, and Marshall County, South Dakota. This thing doesn't exit until tomorrow late afternoon with the wind continuing behind it and the dangerous cold as well. And one more time for you here. These numbers are going to be different than you're seeing in other places because I'm concerned, yeah, we're going to get enough moisture with the fluffy snow to water ratios we'll see. I think 5 to 10 is good for Interstate 94, Highway 10, Point South, a band that could see a good foot of snow, including Fergus Falls, Battle Lake, Point South, Douglas County here in the Alexandria area, Sisseton Hills. Could see a foot or more of snow. All right. Very cold in the morning. Bundle up the bus riders if indeed they got to go to school. Check the app for the latest on that, or the Valley Today. Very windy with blowing snow and then additional snow developing in the late day and overnight throughout the day for most of Thursday, impacting both the morning drive and the afternoon drive. Then brutal cold on Friday. Then it finally starts improving after we head in through the weekend and into next week. How about near 30 on Monday? That's not bad. Bonus coverage for you here. Ding, ding, ding. 11-day planner. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week. Well, another round of snow, but a little milder.